So today I'm going to let you in on a dirty little secret. I rarely clean the bottom part of this door. So this is the shower door. It's a glass door. So this part, easy to clean, right? You can use your glove, you could use the window combi, lots of things. But there's this little groove, and I have taken a picture in the bottom of the door where everything that comes down, all the water, I don't use soap obviously, but like shampoo or anything like that that sprays onto this door comes down and it pools here, and it's theoretically supposed to funnel back into the shower. But I don't know, I've always struggled with this part until now. So I'm excited to show you a quick and easy way to clean it. So you just need your cold water. So I could spray the tool that I'm going to use, but just because of the size of it, I'm going to spray the door because it'll be easier, and the water is going to drip down into that little groove that I'm trying to clean anyways. So why make life more difficult for myself than I need to? So that was just cold water out of the tap, and I am going to use the bathroom Flexi. So this may be a newer tool for some of you. Just released September 2020. So I'm filming this in September, so literally brand new. I myself have had this for a few weeks. This is the first time I'm actually using it because we've had other things going on. So I'm excited to share it with you. So it is just like the back of our scrub. So it's a little bit rougher than the bathroom glove, but it's got a nice thin part to it. So that just fits right in there. Oh, I'm glad you can't see this. But it literally just moved all of that dirt that has been building up in there. I mean, how easy was that? That took me maybe 10 seconds to do. So if you have a spot in your bathroom that you can't reach very well, or that you struggle to clean, this might be a tool for you. But if you have any kind of mobility issue, I have another option for you, because I am sitting on the ground. That's not always something that everybody can do. Alright, so literally all I've done is stand up. This is the same door. This is the same bathroom Flexi, so you can see the dirt on it. I just added it to the pole from our floor system, so I do not have to bend at all, which is actually good for me. I have a back injury, so it will still fit into that little groove and clean it out, no problem. And I don't have to bend even a little bit. So if you have any little areas that you can't bend to reach, add the floor pole. Bye everyone.